my channel. For those who tune in for the very first time, my name is Venus and I'm a mother of a 7-year-old beautiful daughter and a 4-year-old furry son. Hey sweetie, come say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hello, Chicky.
Say hi.
As a mother, I know how important it is to maintain hygiene in the house, especially with children and pets. I need to make sure that the carpet is always clean, the air stays pure, and there are no unpleasant odors from the cat litter box. It can be quite challenging to keep up with all of this, especially when you also have to cook, tidy up the toys, and keep the cat fur from flying around the house. Now that I have installed SK Magic's All Clean Bars Fit Air Purifier, I can't wait to share with you how it changed my life. In this video, I will take you through how this little device has completely transformed my day-to-day routine. I've used this air purifier for a while now, and it impressively combines at once air purification and sterilization technology. It effectively eliminates harmful bacteria and viruses with a 99.99% success rate thanks to its UV ARC Core Sterilization technology. I would say All Clean Bars Fit really knows how to make our homes feel safer and smells amazing. So, are you ready to dive into all those incredible features of this fantastic air purifier? And let me share with you my personal experience with it. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. Have you ever wondered, on average, how much air we actually breathe in every day? According to the American Lung Organization, it is around 2,000 gallons of air, which is almost enough to fill up a standard-sized swimming pool. Did you know that adults typically spend 60% of their times indoors, while children clock in at 80 to 90%, and infants are indoor 100% of the time? Surprisingly, the air quality indoors can be worse than what is outside. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency, indoor pollutant levels can be 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor levels, which means that indoor air can potentially be more harmful to our health. After I started using SK Magic All Clean Bars Fit Air Purifier in my home, it has been a game changer. Goodbye allergies and stuffiness, my indoor life has seriously leveled up. I would highly recommend this air purifier to anyone who are looking for a way to improve their indoor air quality for their home. Hello everyone! Today is off to a busy start, but I'm treating myself to a nice lunch after sending my little one to school. Wow! Wait, isn't that the same air purifier I have at home? Let's go! Wow, they have really nice face over here! Hey! Here's another one! There you go! And estacada.
Hi, how are you today? Are you ready to place your order?
Hello, I'm feeling great. I think I'd like to go for a menu A, please.
Okay, sure. Menu A for you. Would you want to have a couple while waiting for the kitchen to prepare your meal?
Why not? Let's have a cup of cappuccino, please. Thank you.
Okay, sure. Cappuccino.
Excuse me, I couldn't help but notice that air purifier. It looks the same as the one I use at home.
Oh, you have a great eye. We've just installed these amazing air purifiers for our guests' comfort while they dine in here. And I noticed that it really helps with the cooking smoke and smells too.
Wow, that's great to hear. And I have to say that air purifier has been a game changer to me and my family. It has improved my air quality at home so much.
Oh, you're absolutely right. We want our guests to experience the same freshness while they dine in here.
It's incredible, right? How one small change can make such a huge difference.
Yes, absolutely. Our guests deserve the best, and that's why we choose these amazing air purifiers, because clean air is our priority.
As a mom, my family's health is my top priority, especially during flu and cold season. And that is why I will always make sure the places we visit are safe and clean. This is because when someone coughs or sneezes, they may release the droplets that contain bacteria or viruses. and these droplets can linger in the air for hours or can even be inhaled by other people. And that is why I'm so grateful that this restaurant is equipped with all clean virus feed, which removes viruses and bacteria, reducing the risk of illness, leaving me a peace of mind. I need to tell you this right away. When I walked in, I experienced the incredible sensation of freshness, like a wave of clean and odorless air enveloped everything around me. Hello, Oscar! How are you doing? Your home just got a makeover, but the real change is in the air. I love my furry friend, but dealing with that pesky pet dander can be quite a hassle, especially when it triggers my little one's sneezing fits. We are familiar with the pet dander challenges, from sneezing marathons to constant itchy eyes, and here's the twist: it affects our pet's well-being too. Ever wonder how small pet dander is? Well, those tiny particles are usually 0.1 to 5 microns in size, making them much smaller than human hair. Pet dander is like the featherweight champion of airborne particles, effortlessly taking over your space. Now let's explore pet odors. We have all been there with our furry friends and litter boxes. I've tested sprays and candles, but they fall short. But with this air purifier, it's like a superhero for pet odors. It doesn't mask the smells, it addresses them at their source. Want to know why it is so effective? Here's the secret. The ASCII Magic All Clean Virus Feed Air Purifier uses double antibacterial filters with a special coating. First, the pre-filter serves as the primary defense, keeping out large dust particles, hair, and pet fur. This ensures the main filter remains clean and effective in combating more severe pollutants. The next layer is the main hero, all-in-one care filter. The copper fiber HEPA filter. This filter captures particles as small as 0.01 microns, while the copper fiber eliminates viruses on contact. It is so powerful, it can capture even the tiniest particles like dust, pollen, and viruses. Now I can step into my home without that familiar pet smell hitting me in the face. Now I'm able to enjoy the odorless, clean hair in my home. Get around, because I have got a mind-blowing secret about the All Clean Virus Feed Air Purifier, the UV ARC Core Sterilization. It's not just a fancy name, it uses photocatalysis technology to keep your air clean and fresh. Here is how it works. The photocatalyst is embedded inside the air purifier, and the material gets really angry when exposed to UV light. So angry, in fact, that it starts releasing active oxygen to break down all the bad smells and pollutants in the air. It's like a superhero for your air, fighting off all the bad guys. But don't worry, it is not harmful to humans. It's just really angry at pollutants. Thanks to ASCII Magic's All Clean Virus Feed Air Purifier, I no longer worry about my family's well-being concerning air quality. This cutting-edge air purifier eliminates 6 types of bacteria, 3 types of viruses, and even fungi. It's not just about performance, safety is a priority. The air purifier proudly holds multiple certifications, guaranteeing both its effectiveness and safety. The ASCII Magic All Clean Virus Feed Air Purifier holds multiple certifications, including PA Sterilization Certification, FDA Registration, KAA Certification, and CAS Korea Certification. These certifications ensure it is a safe and effective choice for clean indoor air, giving me a peace of mind.
I got this. I can clean the air purifier all by myself. How do I remove this?
Hey sweetie, what are you doing?
Oh, Mommy, you work so hard to keep our house clean. I want to help too.
Oh, that's very sweet of you. Do you know that all the parts on this air purifier can be easily removed and it's super easy for cleaning? Do you want to try?
Yes.
Now, first, just gently remove the top cover. Yep. That's right. And now that you can see the vents and fans inside, now turn the inner grill anti-clockwise and lift it up. Okay, perfect. Now spin the cap. Give it to me. Now you can lift up and detach it. So all of these are washable. Let's give them a buff. Let's go. Now, let's put the cover back on. Alright, and last but not least, ta-da!
Hee Mommy, our air purifier looks so clean now.
I'm so proud of you. If you're anything like me, you absolutely love creating delicious meals for your family. However, let's face it, dealing with the aftermath of cooking, like lingering smoke and those stubborn cooking odors, can sometimes be a real challenge. The sizzling sounds, the aroma filling the air, it's all part of the experience. But when the cooking is done, the aftermath can sometimes be overwhelming. I used to find myself opening windows, turning on fans, and using all sorts of remedies to clear the air, but the smells persist and lingers in the air for hours. This air purifier doesn't just capture visible smoke, it also removes odorous particles in your kitchen. With a built-in gas and dust sensor, it adjusts fan speed for efficient and rapid air cleaning. The SK Magic All Clean Bar Speed Air Purifier stands out with its 360-degree air purification. Unlike traditional models that have limited air intake, this design allows it to cycle through air quickly, boasting a CADR of 564 cubic meter per hour. But what does this mean? CADR stands for Clean Air Delivery Rate, measuring the volume of filtered air. Higher CADR numbers mean faster air filtration. For example, in a 600 square foot living hall, this air purifier can completely filter air in just 15 minutes. Thanks to its 360-degree filter, cylinder-shaped design, and powerful ventilation fan. The moment I sit down to enjoy my meal with my family, I'm greeted with something truly extraordinary. Clean, fresh air. No more inhaling lingering odors or dealing with that smoke cloud. My daughter loves playing on the floor with toys, Lego, and colorful bricks, but I always worried about the air quality. This air purifier has a unique floor suction feature that draws in lower air where dust and allergens settle. Now she can play without inhaling them, giving us both peace of mind. Do you know the air purifier also comes with moving wheels? So you don't have to worry about dust collecting underneath. You can easily slide it out for cleaning and move it between rooms to target specific area for purification. So here is to worry-free playtime and a cleaner, healthier indoor environment for our little explorer.
Good morning, Miss Venus.
Morning.
I'm Nina, and I'm here to conduct regular service for your All Clean Virus Speed Air Purifier.
Sure, please come in. Let me share with you something truly remarkable that SK Magic has to offer. The Magic Care service. You have heard all about the All Clean Bar Speed, right? It is an impressive air purifier. And now, imagine having a dedicated professional ensuring it stays in peak condition, working as efficiently as the day you brought it home. Sounds great, isn't it? And here is the best part. The Magic Care service includes free filter replacement and product warranty. So I don't need to buy filters or worry about repairs if it breaks. A monthly fee covers everything, and I think it is a brilliant idea. And I'm so happy with SK Magic All Clean Water Speed Air Purifier's Magic Care service. It guarantees my air purifier functions well, providing clean air, and it is not limited to air purifiers only. SK Magic also offers this service for all their appliances, enhancing the overall experience.
It's done! And now your All Clean Water Speed is ready to continue its job of keeping your air fresh and clean.
Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.
Bye!
So, what are you waiting for? Order yours today.
SK Magic.